Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, April 24, 2020. Today's visualization is about using sunlight to pull drinkable water from the air with HydroPanels. Could this tech help solve the global water crisis? A company called Zero Mass has produced a HydroPanel that requires no power and no infrastructure. They've been installed in 36 countries, including some of the world's most arid regions. The average cost of this clean water? Just 15 cents per litre. Beautiful creativity. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.